min ha ka at poi terek min ta unai tung kilon poi hadu san phongot ki kena ba pule sha Bangladesh bat min ta ka siru kiladon khat sangot ki kena ki ba pule doktor sha Bangladesh ki balon poi sok shala ka jongkari lamba ka surak da Tripura bat East Janja Hills district kita kena kita ki ba pule doktor ha President Abdul Hamid Medical College Kishorganj Dhaka Bangladesh bat kilawan limba na ka kapot akora kila poi sha Tripura bat Tripura kila ya limba na East Janja Hills district ki board district jong ka East Janja Hills district kila priang bat yalam bam shoi ki te ki khna sha circuit house tension room bat shongcha thai ru shipor ha circuit house tension room bat ka bus ka bucket yaki na Tripura kala pen poi pat yaki sha Shillong ki te ki khna ki dei na ki district ba phair ba kunthop nreungut na East Khasi Hills district sangut ki bana West Khasi Hills district arngut na South West Khasi Hills district bat arngut na East Janja Hills district Habakran Shikilat Pathai Kubor, Kiteki Kena Kila, Yetu Bakila Yot Tanka Curfew Pass na Kasokar Bangladesh, but Kila wan mi hinlen kasngi dang step na Bangladesh, but wala Kila Yat Tang Para Kana Ru, Henry Kim Shimla Kando Kanu Nu Kajing Air, Haka Jingya Linti Jonki.
Kena na Meghalaya, Kiwapure Medical Stage Bangla, Kawa MH Kishorganj, President Abdul Hamid, Ni M Lang ni Baro Khasungut, em kiwa na cha khasi wasijentia te mi ina na bangla menin gasngi sanuje step then neten na college one line ga border aga akora border ko emha jan border Tripura te hitai poi katkam kanu chuja Chipawaje haro poi na akora border teni Taiwan chongi dak ha men step sa poi chipawaje teni Taiwan nitena akora border one talai dak bus one chimna bus one koda bukar panghi dak sarkari te nitena na bus station one ta line ni na border Tripura isa ta lai naka boss ba nete ba kapor bangi don ha Bangladesh ta don rabati kerengi kewan he
as foreigners
altogether
moved out together
ngia wan lang ta but ki baro ki foreigners but na West Bengal na Assam but na Kashmir
kata kalau dan pa dan dekat Chandrapur bus station kibala bo hangte ta kata bus station hangta ka bus jangi kala ye hangte ta na border pada ngishim gi autos tangi like sha border sha bus station tangi shim hangte ken tangi wanphai shine ta namar ba si surak palat ta dan landslide road ta kumtu ma block traffic jams wata ta ngislam ken kashim por yangi banwan actually we were supposed to come around 2 o'clock at dawn tamba namar ba umta ba block palat ngiwan kumne janmit while traveling from Bangladesh to the border done be tajing thing more because of the situation and all the best thing pate is because la ka kam reduce kain namar ba la bo ka curfew kumto so kumto and as the thing also ba we move all together as foreigners but the only problem ba claim provide security there na Bangladesh like they didn't give us like any escorts negumto that's the only problem there of course kadang pe tajing thing walang move all together at once tambangi mo ai kurkuba bleu dalang kat bangi bangi yo wanphai suction disturbances that like ngi claim ya kenduk ma kumto like the only problem is the road the situation jong road ma kalong like kalong up and down but the traffic ro ka ngin ne but sometimes ha jo jaka ro ngin ne kum to shigita ne arkanta kum to but ha jo ka jaka ta kabang gudi tangi yo be gi dukan don gi public kum to the itu gi bus ro gi drivers ro la tip lepa mo ya e badan dukan ba you public ba kum to 24/7 ta gi yala mingi shate ke Bangladesh the like Haga jaka mo ba sa mangi ka ba situate ka college jonge kalong kam safe kai na main cities kom Dhaka ne select gitu te kam jor kai the situation was very bad tamba ha jaka jonge pate hantu dan ka ha town ka like ki stang ban ya kum to ma ya ki kum to tang ba dan shangi pate ta ka kam long like 15 minutes distance from the town tangi kam long safe ken kum to la ki la bo ro ki curfew kim sha shu ra yangi ban mi ro ta ki police ro la dan ba up shabar college king kum to the kum to ken ngi like for 1 week ngi klam dan class ngim dan ka ek ro and ki bam tangi ya ki bam tang ba the only problem ba issue shong kum to internet dan kum to ma the sharing shasam tongi ro ngim la ban call so we have to do this international call and ni perkat ma ki mikma kapa jongi kila kul ngosi kum to ma khusla yangi because ba ngi la kum to la jangai sometimes also like la dang la international calls for am like the internet is not clear there. I mean the line is not clear and then like it takes a lot of money for that like for 1 minute minute also it takes around like 50 taka kum to.
Actually, like first day, before the day before we came here, someone from the immigration called, and then they told me to talk to an officer, like an IPS officer. Then I talked to him. Then he said like he will call the embassy in Sylhet. Then he called the embassy in Sylhet. Then he forwarded the message to Dhaka. Then after they getting the Dhaka, then I told him that we did not get the permission from the college, so please help us to get the permission from the college. And just hours after that, like the hostel supposed to be taking care of our stay and everything, man. Yeah, food and everything. Like he gave us the permission only until and unless that we take our own responsibility. But the commission in Dhaka, they never said anything about like providing.
The Indian Commission in Dhaka.
Yeah, the Indian Commission in Dhaka. They never said anything about like escorting us. They never said anything about like helping us not to reach. So immediately like we took our own actions, like our own responsibility to reach up to Akura. But there were around like maybe 100 plus Indian students who went up to Akura.
So went in Bengali language? No. Because out there in Bangladesh, so people generally speak Bengali. So in college, there was any difficulty when it comes to language.
Actually,
At first it was like
first time
so
it's like
difficult.
there's a difficulty because in our state we know that main language is like our own language like Khasi Apna and then English is like the official language. So like for us when we go by that side it's like kind of hard for us to understand. But later on so we like of course we learn from our friends and also from the teachers. So if we don't understand also we ask our friends about that. So later on we start learning a little bit.
Now you are kind of, you understand.
we understand.
Basic Bengali, you
Yes.
understand. 15 minutes far from the main city.
Dhaka is like 4 hours, and we have another city called Kishoreganj. Like it's a town.
Kishoreganj, yes.
So like that town is like where another commotion which occurred, but that one was not that severe as what happened in Dhaka and Sylhet. So we took different cars.
Yeah, we
So like
reserved
some cars,
different cars.
we reserved, but we moved out altogether at once
As foreigners.
as foreigners.